and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we have a resistance band oblique workout, so if you are ready, grab that resistance band. We're going to be standing the entire time, and you can go ahead and let's get started. Okay, to begin, we are going to begin standing. Grab that resistance band, and we are just going to fold it in half here, bringing those arms right out in front of you, and we are just going to twist from side to side here. So you can have a slight bend in those knees here. When we are twisting, we're really twisting from that core. So you should just be able to move like this. You're not necessarily moving from your arms. It's your core that is turning you here. You're going from left, left, right, twisting, twisting, twisting. Keeping those hips in place here as we're going. We have 30 seconds left. So each of these moves that we are doing in this workout video is 1 minute each. So this moves by pretty quickly. This is a great workout that you can do anywhere, and this is a great move too. Y'all are doing a great job. Keep it up, keep it up. And once again, if y'all haven't noticed, yes, I did cut my hair. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to be doing the same move, but we're only taking it over onto that left side. So let's go ahead and begin. So you're going to the left and center, twist, twist. Once again, have a slight bend in those knees and really twist from that core. When you're twisting from your abs, make sure you're squeezing, engaging those abs. This is what's going to give us nice looking obliques. And if you are a fan of obliques workouts, be sure to check my playlist because I have a whole bunch of those. Y'all are doing so great. And twist, 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 twist. So we're just going over to one side. This is really working on that left oblique here as we are twisting, twisting, and twisting. Y'all are doing so great. How do y'all like my workout outdoors here? I think this is a great place to film, and the weather is so nice. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we're going to be doing the same thing, but over on that right side. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are twisting to the right and then center, right and center, right and center. Once again, making sure that you have a slight bend in those knees. You don't want to lock those knees out. I say that pretty often because if you do lock those knees out, you can end up passing out, falling over, and that's not good. We would not want that. So we are twisting to the right and center, right and center. This is a great move that really isolates that right oblique. This is a great move for those abs and those obliques. I know some people have requested some standing ab routines, and so I look forward to filming those in the future. I think those would be great ideas. This is a great taste of kind of how you can work on those abs and obliques when you are standing up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so for our next move, we are going to fold that resistance band once again in half, and we are going to lift it up above our heads, and we are going to twist from side to side. So we are bending to the left and bending to the right. So we have 1 minute of this. So go from side to side. Once again, you want to have a slight bend in those knees. You don't want to lock them out. You're going from side to side. Be sure to squeeze your abs, engaging that core the entire time. So we are going from left to right and left to right. Y'all are doing a great job. I'm super proud of y'all. This is a great workout to do outside, getting some fresh air, hearing those birds chirping. Yeah, I can really hear them out. There's a lot today. And there's also this really cute bunny. It's been just hopping around and eating grass and scratching. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so for our next one, we are just lifting those hands up above our head, and we are just going to twist over onto that left side. So we are twisting to that left side, bending and to center, bending and to center. once again, make sure you have a slight bend in those knees, squeeze those abs, and make sure that you are breathing the entire time. So bend and up, and bend and up. Y'all are doing a great job. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what your favorite move is. I like all these moves. They're super fun to do when you're standing. The resistance band is a great way to switch up those workouts. And even if you don't have a resistance band, you can still do this workout without it. You don't even need any equipment. You can still do the same moves and still get a good workout in. If you don't have a resistance band and you have dumbbells, you can do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so next we're going to bring that resistance band up and we are twisting over to the right side. So bending to the right and coming back up. And bend and up. And bend and up. Y'all are doing such a great job. And so yes, if you like obliques, check out my obliques playlist. If you like resistance band workouts, check out my resistance band playlist. I made a whole playlist with all the different resistance band workouts that I've done. I've done some for arms and for legs. With legs, we have some that are standing and on the floor. So whichever one you want to do, we have abs. And now we also have this oblique one. So great variety, lots of different things you can do using that resistance band to switch it up. And so once again, as I said earlier, if you have dumbbells and you don't have a resistance band, you can grab any kind of weighted object or that dumbbell and hold that above your head in place of the resistance band. That is a great way to get a workout in, even if you don't have one of these. And y'all are doing such a great job. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so for our next move, we are going to bring the resistance band onto the ground and we are going to step on it with our left foot, but not on the very end, a little bit more closer towards the center. And we are going to hold on to the other end of the band with our left hand and we are going to begin. So we're going to bend on the side that has the resistance band and then we are going to bend to the other side and pull up with that resistance band. So you can still do this move even if you don't have a resistance band. You don't need anything, or once again, you can grab that dumbbell, have that in your hand. This is a great move that really works those obliques. And y'all are doing such a great job. Yeah, I can really hear those birds out. They are really chirping today. And bend to both sides, bend and bend. And so after this, we just have one more move left. We're going to be doing this same move, but on our right side. Y'all got this. You've come this far. Don't give up now. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's switch over onto the other side. So stepping on that resistance band with our right foot, not on the end, but a little bit closer towards the center here. And then holding onto that resistance band with our right hand on the end or a little bit closer in. Let's go and bend and up, and bend and up. So when you're bending, we're going to pull on that resistance band when we bend to our left side, the side that doesn't have that resistance band. Y'all are doing an amazing job. I'm super proud of y'all. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give this a thumbs up down below. And of course, subscribe if you are not already. Y'all are doing a great job. And how do you like my yellow resistance band? It's a really cute color. It's like bright and sunshiny. Perfect for summer. Yellow is such a bright and sunshiny, happy color. And bend, and bend, and bend. Y'all got this. If this is your only workout for today, you can repeat this as many times as you want to. If not, that's fine. Or you can even pair this with the other videos on my channel, just creating, customizing your own. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alrighty, y'all, congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. How do you like these pretty flowers that I have next to me? They're so cute, such great colors. The yellow in this part of the flower even matches my resistance band. And even on the inside of there, it also matches the resistance band. I look forward to seeing you on my next workout, so be sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!